So the plan is to keep trying to fill out this bed. Hello beautiful friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back over here in the permaculture garden. We've gotten a few more odds and ends in that Mom ordered. Let me turn you around here. So we've got another echinacea here, and then are those the
what are the whirling butterflies?
Okay, so whirling butterfly, and then we have coreopsis here. So the plan is to keep trying to fill out this bed. So the thing about garden spaces is that if you don't cover Mother Nature, she's gonna cover herself. So we don't want her to go native on us. We haven't liked what she's been trying to put over here in particular. So we are desperately trying to get as many plants in this year so that they can fill out for next year, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll have way less weed encroachment. Now, not only will this help with weed encroachment, but it's also going to be a little bit of a benefit for ourselves too, because some of these things are highly medicinal, native plants, technically, for our zone and our area. So I'm really going to be looking forward to working with some of these things a bit more next year. So let me go on ahead. I'm going to put you on hyperlapse. We're going to, of course, start digging holes, and you know what that means for us here with all of our rock. It means it's going to take a wee minute. But, you know, the benefit is flowers next year. So, of course, I will dig a hole just so that I can have flowers. But let me go on ahead, put you on hyperlapse, and we'll get these plants into the ground and growing on. Okay, so the whirling butterfly, the final echinacea, and then the coreopsis, they're all in, which is awesome. Now we're just gonna go on ahead, we're gonna head inside. I'll turn on the sprinkler system and get those guys watered in, but everything looks pretty darn lovely, all things considered. So that's really all I've got for you guys today. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a comment down below. Also, don't forget, we have our quick start guide to small space gardening. So if you are new to gardening, or it's been a while and you need a little bit of a refresher, we've got our quick start guide there to help you out and to give you all of the basics that you need, condensed into a very, very small amount of reading. So go on ahead and check that out. I'll drop a link down below, and don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. We have a newsletter, guys, that we send out every week, and it's got a bunch of different things in it, everything from recipes to new products to things that are going on here on the homestead, just everything that is basically happening in real time here on La Casita Jardin, we're bringing to you in that newsletter. And at the end of this video, what I will do is I will go on ahead and I will link a video to some of the things that we had planted earlier this spring in the permaculture space. So that way you can kind of see what we have been planting this year and what we've been trying to develop. So maybe that'll inspire you if you are doing your own permaculture and or medicinal herb space. So as always, keep it simple, natural, and essential. I will see you on the next video.